Hey everybody, look at all my onions that I have. Ready to be picked. There you go. There's a nice onion. I have other onions here that are ready to go. There's this one here. I'll pull this one. There. There you go. Look at that. Two nice onions from the garden. What we have here in this container is a loofah. Now, we grew these last year and it took over the whole garden. But what a loofah is the thing that you buy at Bed Bath & Beyond that you scrub your body with. Kind of looks like, well, a lot of people think it's a sea sponge or something like that. It's not. A loofah is a cucumber, right? So it's kind of an interesting thing. That little plant is going to climb this trellis and turn it into a whole tunnel, because I got other loofahs here as well, and then in strategic places they're going to climb up each one of these stairs and then make a tunnel. And then last year they climbed over here and over there and over here, and we had loofahs all over the place. So if you ever wanted to know where your Bed Bath & Beyond loofah comes from a plant, not the seed, and it's basically a cucumber. Talk to you later.